Add 7,342 plus 19,021 plus 634. We are adding three numbers here. So when we add, we need to make sure everything is lined up. So 7,342. 19,000 is going to move to the left a little bit, so they'll keep the thousands in the thousands place and the hundreds in the hundreds place and the 2 and the 1 where they belong. And then we're going to add 600 in the hundreds place, 34. And we're going to add these. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7, right out of 7 in the ones place. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9, right out of 9. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. Move to the left. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus nothing is still 16, so drop down the 6. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Drop down a comma, and we end up with 26,997.